What's up, party people? This is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches, the 700 Club. I am introducing my new book, Credit Builder Secrets. So one of the things that really irks my nerves is when I hear people share information on credit building and they have no idea what they're talking about. One of the biggest myths when it comes to building your credit score is all you need to do is pay your bills on time. One thing that I've learned is there's actually 5 components to a credit score. And if you're not really influencing each of those components, you will never achieve the feeling of having a 700 credit score. One thing that I'm going to do in this book is really dispel the myth of just paying your bills on time, because that's not enough. You need to actually influence each of the components to your advantage so that you can improve your credit score. I'm going to really share with you how to really build your credit scores. Paying your bills on time is not enough. There's more that you need to do, and I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to do to improve your credit score. So in my book, one thing that I really want to address is, and I'm getting real tired of, is watching janky people operate as if they're doing something ethically. And one thing that I am really going to pinpoint in this book is what these janky people do to improve credit scores and how it is hurting you and potentially will land you in jail. I'm going to address that issue and share with you what you need to do instead of applying the legal tactics that janky people often share. So we usually deal with people who are, in a rough situation and they have a lot of derogatory information on their credit report. And what I like to help our clients really achieve is, of course, removing the derogatory information off their credit report, but also focus on building their credit by adding positive information that's really going to expedite their credit score growth. And typically when clients work with us using the information that we share, they see a 100-point credit score increase with a short amount of time, typically about 6 months. However, what I really wanted to do was use all the tools that I have and put it into a format where it will be action oriented and really pinpoint the key areas that everyone should focus on to improve their credit score. And what I've learned is that by implementing these 6 secrets, not only will you understand what credit is all about and how it's used against you, but you're going to be able to gain a new power by leveraging your credit score and improving it up to 200 points using these 6 secrets, okay? What this is going to do for you is it's going to give you a detailed plan of action that you can implement right away so that you can begin to improve your credit scores. And what I did was I looked at the components of a credit score: payment history, credit utilization, length of history, credit file mix, and inquiries. And basically I developed a plan that you can implement right away where you can begin to impact these components and watch your credit score improve like this. And with that information, I'm going to teach you 6 secrets on what you can do to improve your credit score right away and begin to see your score rise up to 200 points. I created this book to help you all get a real understanding of how credit works, why the credit bureaus don't want you to improve your credit score, and how it's in their best interest to make sure that you continue to have a bad credit score. I'm very excited about this because this is going to give you the opportunity that you've been waiting for to really take your credit score to the next level. If you are someone who is looking to expedite your credit score growth and you're tired of being denied because of your bad credit or your lack thereof, this book is your tool to take your credit score to the next level. In this book, I'm going to teach you 6 secrets that you can implement right away to begin to really impact the 5 components of your credit score. We're talking about payment history, credit utilization, length of history, credit file mix, and inquiries. I'm going to teach you what those components are really about and how you can begin to influence each component using the 6 secrets in this book. So if you are looking to improve your credit score and you want to shorten the time frame that it usually takes to improve a credit score, I highly suggest that you take advantage and you get my new book, Credit Builder Secrets, and learn what it really takes to improve your credit score up to 200 points. Again, my name is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches, the 700 Club. So if your credit score can use gains up to 200 points, I highly suggest that you click the link associated to my video and get my new book. That's it.
There are credit repair companies. Then there's Witness Riches, the 700 Club.